I created over 100 personalized videos for my business, and I'll show you exactly what I did so you can create your own B-roll library for free in 5 simple steps. Here's the type of videos you'll have by the time we're finished. Now you've seen what's possible, let's show you how to create your own. First, you want to get clear on what you want this B-roll for. Is this for paid ads? Is this for your YouTube channel? Is this for Instagram shorts? The clearer you are on the use case, the better the end result. Once you're clear on that, you want to go to ChatGPT. Now, if you have like a custom GPT for your business, which is trained on the context of your client avatar, what the end result for your clients is, and how you help people, I would strongly recommend using that. But even if you don't, you can use a simple prompt, which will give enough context for ChatGPT to give you a good response. So in this case, here's the prompt that I used, which is basically I'm creating videos in Minimax, and I want some good B-roll for my YouTube videos for AI solopreneurs. So I gave context on the end result, what that kind of actually is, and then just asking for a list. And this is what it sort of spit out. So then what I did is once you've got this list, and I would just start here, and then if you get through them, which I did, I just ask for more, like give me more AI robot helping entrepreneur type prompts. So what you'll do is you've got this list, and this will be really useful just to speed up the video creation process. So ChatGPT is doing its thing. So you're clear on what you're using it for. You've got the B-roll prompts ready with ChatGPT. One thing in terms of the actual prompts for generating these videos, if you aren't super picky on the final result, simple prompts are fine. So what ChatGPT's provided. But if you're very clear on what you're looking for, I would spend a little bit more time tweaking it, and there's more complex prompts that you can do to be like, oh, I want this sort of camera angle in this style, this object, looking at this background, all of those different things. But for now, we'll keep it simple. So then you want to go to Minimax, which is the AI tool which generates these videos. Once you sign up, you go straight into a 3-day free trial. And then effectively you just go explore, mine, and here you are. So what you'll do is you'll go to your prompts, and I just go through them one by one and just tick them off. I would leave improve prompt on. That'll probably lead to better results unless you've crafted very specifically what you're doing. You can also do some fancy stuff with images, but again, I kept it simple. So then you press the 30 shells. You'll have unlimited for the 3 days. So I made 120 something over the last 3 days. There is a queue, so you can prompt 3 at a time, and then that's as much as you can on the free plan. So basically you just prompt 3 at a time, come back in 20 minutes, and then just do it again. So once you've started, you've got Minimax, you've got the tool, it's really high quality. You prompt it, you go through the videos, and once you've done that, I recommend as the last step is you want to actually go through, download everything, save the prompts, and actually like store it either in a simple list, but I recommend Airtable. This will just keep it categorized, and it'll allow you to do some cool things for future use. What I'm planning to do is once I get clearer on my YouTube video scripts and my content creation, I'll start to incorporate based on the prompts, like the types of B-roll that I have and the scripts I create. I'll build a workflow that automatically connects, like, oh, you could use these B-roll videos here. So yeah, these are all the different ones. that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Do those 5 things, keep it simple. And if you really like Minimax, there's, paid plans. So that's how you create over 100 high quality B-roll videos for your business. I hope you found that helpful. And if you're someone who's looking for more help automating your business to save over $20,000 a year with AI tools, join our free AI Solopreneurs community for weekly training, Q&A calls, and more. Click below to join.